Hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is another PBandai item, which is Mass Rider Den-O gun form. And we have here Den-O gun form preparing to shoot, I think, the special attack for gun form. And of course, yeah, we have the platform here and the Den-O driver here and showing the gun form colors. Now off to the side we see here, oh yeah, by the way, this is the fourth form of Den-O. Fourth base form actually, because he still have climax and liner form. Now we see here on the side Mass Rider Den-O gun form, front and back, the different gimmicks and poses that we have, and of course Ryutaros in his Imagine Sand form. And some information about gun form in the show. And let's take a look what's inside the box. So again, first off, we have as always silver parts here. For this silver parts is for Den-O gun form. We have a familiar sprue here, which is again from Den-O. In all the other kits, we have the same A sprue here from sword form, as you can see here from the this is actually sword form sprue. Another box here. Now this time we see more parts dedicated only for gun form. Another bag. Yep, I think still the same sprues that we know from the previous kits. Yep, same sprues actually still. We then have Ryutaros in his Imagine Sand form, and yes, of course, the instruction manual. So there you have Ryutaros or gun form. So let's take a look individually at the boxes, or sorry, at the sprues. So again, we have here the A sprue, like I mentioned before, is almost or rather the same sprue as with sword form because it has the parts of sword here and the armors for sword form, but only in violet or purple, and this parts again is changed into purple because of gun form is purple. So that's the A sprue. Again, the B sprue is, yes, the same with the other kits here. All black parts for the body and limbs of Den-O. And we have here yet again the same or familiar sprue of C1, which also comes with a C2, again still familiar or the same from the other kits, which is actually the half of C1. And I think only the D sprue here is changing. So the D, this is constant for the armor or for the headpiece of Den-O, but these parts here are changing. Okay, so that's the D. And we have the E here again. So they again brought back this here. These are parts for sword form. Now they brought it back again because most of the parts for gun form, or if you see when Den-O transforms into gun form, it first changes or shows armor for sword form and then opens up to be armors for gun form. And of course we have here another sprue, which is this time is for gun forms form, or parts for gun form, the XA. So we see here parts for the shoulders, the armor, the head. Yep. And we have in XD here, which is more parts for gun form, and we see here the clear purple for the visor. We also have still the same, the XC3 here, which will hold this one, the Sand Imagine form of Ryutaros, and yes, you can put it here in the standard stand. And yes, of course, the sticker sheets. So Kamen Rider fans and folks, that was what's inside the box of the Figure Standard AP Bandai item of Mask Rider Den Gun form. And if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing them. This is Mixerwars saying until next time, and thank you.